why am I doing that? I'll just say state equals state dot some event, let's say water. And then we'll transition, and then we can get rid of the getter and the setter. Okay. But now I need to figure out what do we pass? What's the argument? Because right now this is just going to get us wet. So I could propagate all those methods up to the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree could have a separate water, heat, electric on, electric off, and each of those does the straight transition like this. That's not a bad choice. Okay, that'll work. That'll keep our encapsulation. People can't change our state without calling one of our event methods. Okay, I'm still a little squishy on that because I don't like repeating myself as much as I can. So if we can find some way to pass something in here to tell us what to execute, that might help. Okay, now let's look at kind of a base way of doing that. We could have a flag, right? We could have some kind of flag or some kind of string that represents the name of the thing we want to do. And then inside this method we decode it. If it's heat, call heat. If it's this, call that. If it's that, call that. Okay, that's one way to do it. Okay, not terribly pretty. We could pass in a runnable. That's another option, right? So we could encode the call inside a runnable. So if we did something, and not exactly a runnable, but something similar, we could do something like that. Let's say, whoops. Let's say new interface transition. Let's call it event. And have this say void go. Actually, I don't want it to return a well, actually I do want it to return a state. No, I don't. I'll make up my mind one of these minutes.